Greetings, quick and dirty parcel unboxing video for you all. Well, by the way, it's Hayden from Hayden Beagley Productions, HB Productions, whatever you want to call it. A bit of a back and forth care package between myself and Tape2K. Hi Chloe, hello. Basically, oh, excuse the mess, by the way, folks. Working from home, and my home office is my office, and yeah, it's a mess. Basically sent some bits up to Tape2K earlier in the month, and in return I have received some goodies back. So excuse the one-handed unboxing experience. I will try and make it less painful for everyone to view. Can't promise anything, don't. Totally not using a metal pry tool, and no. That's not a pro strap move. Okay. We're in. The first cut has been made. Any beeping in the background will probably be the microwave of my luncheon, so I apologise. That's not a pro move, that's a terrible move to hold it up there. How about a tape roll and some terrible camera angles. Terrible. So terrible. I know what's in here partially, but again, stranger things have been included in parcels. When I sent this parcel up originally to Tape2K, I made sure to stick a giant Ashens on the front of the box. So under her address, literally had Ashens' logo, and then underneath it had the word hello. Not quite an unboxing on the brown sofa. I don't think Ashens would approve of the choice of the colouring. But stranger things have happened. I'll see if Ashens sees this video. Hello! Oh god. And ready, and 1, 2, 3. Oh. Receipt. Can't have that. Right. So, I've got a bit of a... Wow, better packed than when I sent it. I'm actually impressed. Damn it. So, we got just some important document. Oh dear, I best check that off camera. No, that's empty. My giant jiffy bag I made. Important document. I will just quickly turn the camera away just in case it's anything. UXWbill approved. Hey, that's a candy ham right there. Yeah, that's something I need to get. I need to get a proper candy ham. I can't keep using my iPhone. It's just not retro goodness. Okay, so some extra parts in the parcel. We have a extra optical drive for my Sony Vaio Windows 98 laptop. Never have enough spare parts for that laptop. Tape2K and I have both agreed that Sonys are money pits, so spare parts are helpful. In the bubble wrap, we have a Apple charger with duck head. Ooh, it's not a genuine one. Ooh, that's all good. It all works for me. I have spares. Wait, boom, that's on. There may be a hint to what Mac it may be from just that. There's a motherboard there. That's going to be, I'm going into my gaming rig. It's a 3rd gen board, because in exchange, Tape2K is getting my 4790 for upgrading purposes. There we go. So she sent me the little CPU packet to put said 4790 in. Booty. So now that's safely going to her. Yeah, so that's where that's going to go in. That's the ASRock motherboard. Really nice board, actually. Kind of in two minds if I use it or upgrade my little sibling's machine from a horrible Alienware special. Leave it on the snap bag so it doesn't get zapped. Obviously, matching IO shield, which is lovely. SSD to finally upgrade my PC from a mechanical drive. It's an old Dell drive, but it'll work. And then there's a hint on the sticky label there. iBook G4. Oh, I honestly. Oh yeah. Oh buddy. Yes, that's what I want. Oh, I'm terrible. It needs a new DC inboard. eBay is my best friend, but I believe THK kindly did charge. Oh, 2 bars. Yeah, we did charge the battery bit, so that's all good. Oh yeah. Yes, it needs a keyboard. Am I going to change the keyboard? Probably not. And, you know, back when Apple actually gave you some sort of user serviceability. Oops. Did I break it? There we go. It is missing an airport card. But there we go. That's all good. And if all is good, and all is well, you should get a boot. So using a precious battery it doesn't have right now. I'm risking everything here, all for video. On typical G4, takes forever to boot now. Let's just move it off the bed. Because now that ginormous trackpad button, honestly. You know, compared to like a modern laptop or even a modern MacBook Pro, which mine's just dumped there for some reason. Don't ask. I think it's ginormous. The mechanical trackpad is whizzing its way through setup. It even treats network. One-handed network cable grabbing. Pretty much my first Mac OS right there, good folks. Now done. Chloe did teach me a trick. Did that. Skip registration. Boom. Let's have a check. Oh no, not quite Paris. There we go, London. Time check. Ooh, that battery didn't hold the time. But it is 28 of the, oops, 5th. Poor iBook's freaking have a heart attack when it sees the date 2020. Boom, boom, done. Don't forget to register. I'm not going to register. No, I'm not registering. And hopefully we should get a desktop just before our dear PowerBook runs out of battery. There we go. We are in. Nice fresh load of the OS. Supposedly an hour's worth of battery left. That's nice. Temporarily I will set it to better battery life. Turn on that brightness. And quickly give you a quick spec. So this is a 1.33 PowerPC G4 with 1.25 gigs of RAM. So this is a pretty ballsy iBook. I am loving it already. We've got a nice 80 gig hard drive, nice and quiet too. And a Radeon 9200 in the GPU department. Go away, updates. I don't have the battery for you. And we've got Quartz Extreme support, so things like dashboard and stuff is going to look beautiful when you drop in a widget or gadget, whatever they called it. Let's go for the iTunes one. Yeah, we should get that lovely watery ripple effect. Oh, No ripple effect. How rude. Ugh. But yeah, anyway, just been a quick unboxing video of the goodies from Take 2K. Obviously, there should be probably some more goodies going up Take 2K's way very shortly. So, on that note, live long and prosper, keep safe, and have fun. Bye for now.